Let's go on an adventure into music history. It's the Composer Chronicles from Dynamic Doodle.
Hi there, I'm Scott Joplin, and I want to share a little about my journey with you today. I was born on November 24, 1868 in Texarkana, Texas. Guess what? I fell in love with the piano when I was just a tiny tot. Back in the day, I had this fantastic teacher who spotted my musical spark. She saw something special in me and guided me to explore the world of music. Soon, I stumbled upon ragtime music. It's a bouncy, lively music that I fell completely in love with. With deep roots in African-American culture, I set out to make it popular and widely accepted as a respected musical genre in America. As I grew up, I decided to turn my passion into a profession. I played in bars, saloons, and clubs, sharing my ragtime tunes with anyone who would lend an ear. It wasn't always smooth sailing. I faced a number of challenges, including the racial discrimination that was prominent at this time in history. But my love for music kept me going. One of my favorite compositions is the Maple Leaf Rag. People went bananas for its catchy tunes and snazzy rhythms. It became a mega hit, and suddenly, everyone was talking about this newfangled music called ragtime. Have a listen. But wait, there's more. I didn't stop at the Maple Leaf Rag. No. I kept on composing and performing. I cooked up something different, an opera called Treemonisha. It's a tale about a young lady with some serious skills. A bit off the ragtime beaten path, but I wanted to try something new. Life had its share of twists and turns, but I kept on trucking. I believed in the magic of music to bring joy to folks. I wanted to create tunes that made everyone tap their feet and feel the rhythm deep down. Now, let's talk about the entertainer. This snappy piece of ragtime, written in 1902, became another feather in my cap. It's full of energy, catchy melodies, and a vibe that just makes you want to dance. The entertainer kept the ragtime party going, and people still love it today. Maybe you've heard it before. Now, I left this world on April 1st, 1917, but my music stuck around. I was composing at the turn of the 20th century, but over the years, folks have grooved to the unique sound of ragtime. I'm so proud to be a part of that musical history. So when you hear playful piano tunes that make you want to dance, remember me, Scott Joplin, spreading the joy of music to the whole wide world. Thanks for joining me today. Goodbye, and happy music making.